also the Yidams, and also the Daka, and also the Arhats, and all worthy of refuge, the Dharma protectors. All will have you in their mind, and you will be able to solicit them through rituals, through black tea, through puja, through prayers, make offerings, and achieve your worldly wishes very quickly. So in that one line, when it says your founder, Guru Shakyamuni will think of you, will always think of you, it means not just that. It means that whatever rituals, whatever prayers, whatever black tea, whatever you do from your heart, it will fruition and come true if you hold your vows. So doing your Dharma practice, if you have a problem getting a job, getting a visa, getting some money, if you do a black tea, if you do a prayer to Tara, if you do a mandala to Lama Tsongkhapa, if you do any of that ritual to achieve what you want to achieve, it becomes much quicker and faster by the power of holding your vows. The gods, protectors, beyond sorrow, worldly protectors and devas, Dharma protectors. Also, worldly protectors, dantongs. When they come, they cannot harm you, they will praise you. So if there's an oracle around, if there's a person who can take trance, these worldly spirits and worldly deities that reside in areas will enter the person and come and prostrate to you and show respect to you. When a worldly spirit shows respect to someone, it means that they are holding their vows. It can mean that they have higher powers, it can mean that they have achieved higher powers. That can be that. But basically, the real reason they show respect is because a person who holds their vows blesses the environment, blesses the area, and brings a lot of happiness to others when they hold their vows. So when a worldly protector is around, whether you can see them or not, whether there's an oracle or not, when a person is holding their vows, the worldly protectors will come and show respect in their own way. Either they'll sing, either they'll kowtow, either they'll say some words, or they just appear and go. It is their way of acknowledging you are holding your vows. So when you hold your vows well, even the worldly gods will show respect and praise you because you're holding your vows. Why? They know that by holding your vows, you will become a universal monarch. You will become a Buddha. Therefore, they praise you for what you will become. Your qualities will increase limitlessly. At the time of death, you will die without any regret. No regret at all. You die happily as a transition period, going to sleep and waking up in a very pleasant place. When you don't hold your vows, even if you have vows or don't hold vows, if you do things contrary to the vows, when you die, you will enter into a state of fear, darkness, and apprehension. Page 12, please. By avoiding
killing, you will have a long life and more future lifetimes. By avoiding taking what is properly given in future lives, you will have By avoiding having ordinary lives in the future, others will not cheat and blame you. By avoiding sexual misconduct and attitudes. I am requesting the kind Lord Please bless me to be able to devote myself to the qualified Lord Guru with great respect in all my future lifetime. By realizing that correctly devoting myself to the kind Lord Guru, who is the foundation of all good qualities, is the root of happiness in Buddhism, I shall devote myself to him with great respect, not forsaking him even at cost of life. Thinking of the importance of the qualified Guru, allow yourself to enter under his control. Be like an obedient son, and take exactly once the Guru arrives. Even when Mara's evil friends and try to split you from Guru, be like a Raja, inseparable forever. And the Guru is giving you whatever the burden, be like the earth, carrying all. When you devote yourself to the Guru, whatever suffering occurs, immovable. Even you have to perform all difficult tasks, finally you have to keep with the mind of wisdom. Right, hold your lower than the Guru. Be like a shepherd. Be like a robe, joyfully holding the Guru's word, no matter how difficult or heavy a burden. Even when the Guru criticizes, provokes, or ignores you, be like a dog without anger. Never respond with anger. Be like a bird, never upset at any time to come and go for the Guru. O glorious and precious root Guru, please bless me to be able to practice in this way, from now on in all my future lifetimes. May I be able to devote myself to the Guru in this way. By reciting the love reflecting on their meaning in your mind, you will have the good fortune to be able to devote yourself correctly to the precious Guru, from life to life in all your future lives. If you offer service and respect and offerings to the precious Guru, is very even you have good practice intentionally, you will develop many good qualities, for extensive merit and quickly achieve full happiness.
One more time, please. I am requesting the High Lord Refuge,
who friendly be them all the realizing that correctly promoting myself to the kind Lord Guru, who is the foundation of all those qualities, is the root of happiness and goodness. I shall know myself to him with great respect, not forsaking him even at the cost of my life. Thinking of the importance of the qualified Guru, allow yourself to enter under his control. Be like an obedient son, acting as an enemy according to the Guru's advice. Even when you ask your friends and the like try to speak from the Guru, be like a Raja, inseparable forever. When the Guru gives you work, whatever the burden, be like the earth, carrying all. When you devote yourself to the Guru, whatever suffering occurs, hardship or problem, be like a mountain, immovable. The mind should not be upset or discouraged. Even you have to perform all the difficult tasks, be like the servant of the king, and let mind undisturbed. Abandon pride, hold yourself lower than the Guru, be like a slipper. Be like the robe, joyfully holding the Guru's word, no matter how difficult or heavy the burden. Even when the Guru's criticize, provokes or ignores you, be like a dog without anger, never respond with anger. Be like a boat, never upset at any time to come and go for the Guru. O glorious and precious Guru, please bless me to be able to practice in this way. From now on, in all my future life, may I be able to devote myself to Him in this way.
By reciting these words aloud and reflecting on the meaning in your mind, you will have the good fortune to be able to devote yourself correctly to the precious Guru, from life to life in all your future lifetimes. You will offer service and respect and offering to the precious Guru, peace, mind, and peace. Even if you do not practice intentionally, you will develop many more qualities.
Let excessive merit and quickly achieve full happiness.
Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to offer the bells now, and what I want to do is I'm going to sit there. I want you guys to move back, but not too close to them, move to here and face the stupa towards the tree, and I'll sit there, and then quietly turn around to the bell about the master, okay? We'll move directions, but I want to take our station for that time. Think like this. In order to transform my mind, repeat. To plant the causes for me to become a fully enlightened being. I request for the refuge gods. In order to transform my mind. In order to plant the seeds for my enlightenment. I request the refuge gods. In order to transform my mind. In order to plant the seeds for my enlightenment. And create the causes of enlightenment. I request for the refuge gods. Alpha mandala, where the monks chant, extensive mandala. Think that everything wonderful and beautiful in this world is being offered now to your Guru, who's one with Shakti. Now at this time, please keep awareness. By the power of the words of truth, I'm inviting Lord Buddha Shakyamuni and his holy entourage here at this time to witness your refuge. So those of you who have so-called third eye, you can feel, you can see, you can perceive. Those of you who don't, trust in Lord Buddha's wisdom and skillful means and power. At this time, I'm invoking Lord Buddha himself, Shakyamuni himself, not some weird Tibetan deities, to come to witness your refuge. So whatever you swear at this time will be in the presence of Lord Buddha. Translate. Malu Senjin Gundi Nana Malu Chonding Page 13, please. Please read with me. How extremely lucky I am that I have not died yet. I am especially lucky that my death did not occur last night.
Given that I have all these extraordinary portions of stages, I should not base it around in any way. I should make my lives as smooth as possible and their peace and happiness. My happiness is only received from their friends. So far as my life is the greatest that's the news of successful in this process. The purpose of my life is to be the heart of
page 17. Read only the black parts, the dark black parts. All right. Lama Tenpa. 第七写法抓住两大的所有三业，第二个我下个通报下手的，积极了。Everywhere may the ground be pure, free from roughness of pebbles and so forth. May be the nature of lapis lazuli as smooth as the palm of one's hand. Oma Namo Bhagavate. Oma Namo Bhagavate Benza Sawa Kama Dane Satakataya Budaya Teyata. By the power of the truth of three jewels.